What's up, everybody? This is Game Master Dark Shino here, and if you know me by now, I usually like to just try to, jump into the most serious of action into a game. So I really didn't feel like earning, doing that much at the beginning right now, which I'm still gonna do it. But in other words, I just spent $5 to get 500,000 credits, so I can go ahead and get a decent enough fucking car. Because I really didn't feel like earning it the hard way. So, I guess I'm gonna go check out some new cars in the dealership. Let's see. God, there is way too many fucking cars, man. This is crazy. See, that would be the one I would want, but damn. Ooh, only 205. I'll think about that one. Who the hell is Eagle? I've never even heard of Eagle before. Jay Leno? Oh my god, you've got to be kidding me. Whoa, that is a crazy fucking vehicle right there. Ooh, that one's decent price. God, too many fucking cars. What the hell weird ass vehicles are these? There are some weird cars in here that I have never seen. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video right now so you don't have to sit here or watch me look through all this shit. Like I said before, there's too many cars, man. I honestly still haven't been able to decide, man. This is ridiculous. I already got one in mind, but I still want to see them all. So look at that one's only 42,000. It has 425 HP. But then I've seen some that has about 425 HP and it's 300,000. So I don't get the pricing. Oh my god, too many cars. Oh. Oh my god, somebody help me. This is getting crazy. There are too many vehicles to choose from. Oh. No, I think I'm just gonna grab this one right here. I don't really care who made it. I'm just gonna grab it because it looks really fucking good. And remember, I don't know anything about vehicles, so yeah. Finally I got that nonsense over with. Let's go upgrade this bitch. Oh my god. Too many vehicles. Oh. Wow. This car is gonna be crazy fast. I'll wait on the nitro. I hardly even understand half the shit that I'm buying. At least I got plenty of money to buy it all. There's too much shit to get. Well, how about some custom parts? Let's check out some of the custom parts here. Oh wow, I see. You actually get to pick every little part specifically. Wow. I even. Sure, why not? It's custom, so it must be better. Oh wow, they actually bother you with this nonsense? Nobody, no gamer actually cares about sitting there saying, oh, you're doing the work, we're doing the work and completing it. Why can't you just let me back out and have it already installed? I mean, come on now. Nobody gives a fuck about that. Come on. That really, that's annoying. Nobody wants to sit here and wait for you to say, oh, work is complete. That is the dumbest crap I've ever seen. I guess that's all. Alright, I think I'm getting tired of fucking sitting here doing this shit. I'm gonna go race with this damn car already. Let's see, nothing else I really need to do. Nope. Okay. Ooh, Freshman Cup. I'm sure I'm always gonna kick their fucking asses with this new car of mine. Wait. What? Oh, 550 or less. I guess that's the horsepower, maybe? I don't... So now what? I gotta go get another fucking vehicle? I'm just gonna pause it real fast, because this is just annoying. No, I just bought some random Infinity car that had the right amount of PP points, or whatever the fuck PP points are. Doesn't even sound right. PP. PP points. That sounds so stupid, honestly. PP points. That is lame. Okay, now let's continue this shit. What? Oh, because I upgraded it. Damn you, man. Damn you to hell. Just because I upgraded it, you're gonna... Man. Oh my god, this is getting tiresome for real. There we go. Now I got right under 450 PP points. So now I can race with this car in this stupid fucking race. Oh, epic fail. Oh, man. That was horrible. Oh, damn. Another epic fail. What is... I swear, it's just weird. I felt like it should have turned more than it did. It didn't feel right at all. I think that's just because I'm expecting it to have more brake power, and I haven't upgraded the brakes yet. I think that's what was going on right there. Come on now, come on. Alright, let's do one more race for the video. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day on that for now, so till next time, have fun.